Old photos can evoke memories and emotions from our past. So, what if you could animate photos of famous stars, family members, and historical figures, and let them talk? How great is that? In today's video, I will show you how to make old photo talk in HitPaw Edimakor step by step. Watch to the end, and don't forget to subscribe. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it, you can click the link that I put in the description area. Second, import a photo. Click Create a Video and go to AI Avatar. In the left panel, click Talking Photo. You can see you can import avatar appearance here, and it allows you to import the picture in many formats. After you import your photo here, let's add voice to it. Third, add voice. In here, you can generate AI voice, upload local voice, or record your voice. Here I'm going to use AI voice. Type or paste your words in the text box and choose an AI voice you like.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
Click Confirm. Now you have all the things you need to create a talking photo. Click Generate. Now your AI talking old photo has been generated.
Imperfection is beauty. Madness is genius, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring.
Isn't that easy? If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comment section. See you in the next video.